EPC Project Phases. The typical EPC contract consists of several phases, which may vary depending on the nature and scope of the project. Here are the common phases of an EPC contract. Feasibility study and design phase. In this phase, the contractor conducts a feasibility study to determine the technical and economic viability of the project. The contractor also designs the project, including drawings, specifications, and project timelines. Procurement phase. In this phase, the contractor procures the necessary equipment, materials, and services required for the project. This includes sourcing and purchasing raw materials, components, and equipment, as well as contracting with suppliers, subcontractors, and vendors. Commissioning and testing phase. In this phase, the contractor tests and commissions the project to ensure it is fully operational and meets the design specifications. The contractor is also responsible for training the owner's staff on the operation and maintenance of the project. Handover and closeout phase. In this phase, the contractor hands over the completed project to the owner and provides documentation, including operation and maintenance manuals, warranties, and as-built drawings. The contractor also conducts a final inspection and rectifies any defects or deficiencies. It is important to note that these phases may overlap, and the duration of each phase may vary depending on the project's size and complexity. Effective project management is critical to ensure that each phase is completed on time and within budget.